We are decorating our office, our building with the flower and the trees, and people is being there. And this is the office, and also the office. And this is my office. All kind of paper package box for different kind of customers. This is so beautiful, huh? So, which one you like? Magnetic paper box or the lid and the base paper box? Also, the kind of empty shadow palette. Also, the pizza box and the electronic paper box. And we have 4 floor, 5 floor. Manufacturer is downside. Welcome to visitors. And when you visit, we will finish the decoration. Welcome, please. Thank you.